Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you set pay pin into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to set the pay pin, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, you will get to see a bunch of options. You just simply have to select this Binance icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap into there and then you will get to see this recommended section, and under that section select this pay option. Now after coming into this pay section, you will get to see this setting icon into the top right corner. Tap to setting icon and you will get to see this set my pay pin directly. Tap to that option, and after tapping into there you can create your pay pin from this section. Just simply create a pay pin of 6 characters, and after setting up the pay pin, tap to confirm, and this way you can easily set your pay pin into Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.